Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet using Google Pay. All right, so your first step would be to open up the Trust Wallet, and another step would be to make sure you actually have a Google account. So you must have a Google account in order to use Google Pay. So make sure you have access to that Google account. All right, so go ahead and open up Trust Wallet. With the Trust Wallet opened up, all you need to do on your wallet now is click on the buy. So on the latest version of Trust Wallet, you should find the buy option here. So click on buy, and then for 150 US dollars, you can select a random cryptocurrency to buy. So a random or specific. So click on the cryptocurrency that is shown, and then simply select the popular one being Bitcoin. If it doesn't show up, you could simply use the search to search for the token. Simply search for Bitcoin, click on the Bitcoin token, and for 150 US dollars, you're going to be getting this amount. By default, you could be making use of another payment channel instead of Google Pay. So click on the payment option here. It's set to Google Pay, but you can go ahead and set it to your bank card, bank transfer, or digital wallet. So I'm going to be going with Google Pay, and I'm going to be using MoonPay for this transaction because it's giving us more Bitcoin. And then all you need to do now is click on buy now, and it's going to connect you safely to MoonPay. And then you can make your payment via your Google saved details on MoonPay. I believe that's how you can make use of the Google Pay to buy your Bitcoin. All you need to do now is sign in with your Google account or your email address. So go ahead and sign in. All right, so you're shown the terms of service, and now just simply accept to the terms of service and policy. Click on OK, and we're setting things up. So buy.moonpay.com is the website, and once it loads, you're requested to add like a payment detail. So your first name, last name, date of birth, your nationality is also requested. So you can simply go ahead and fill all of this in and then click on continue, and then enter your billing address, and you'll be requested for more information from this point onwards. But once you're done, all you need to do now is simply authenticate the transaction or the process using your Google Pay account, and you would have successfully bought yourself some Bitcoin via Google Pay. So guys, that's how you can go about this. Comment down below if you have a question, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.